guys, so today we decided to drive all the way out to Canmore just to come to this very beautiful BMX bike riding ramp and check out what Canmore has to offer, the joys of homeschooling. Alright, let's go check it out, guys. Your bum's going bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
How about I go in the middle?
You want to go in the middle? I don't think it'll bounce if you're in the middle.
Hi. Yeah, but I'll show you what.
Kind of bounces.
Ezra, go right there. Come on.
Let me move as fast as you can.
Oh, that's weird. It moves.
With your permission.
Alright, so we just got back from our long day in Canmore. How do you guys feel? Tired?
I want to eat more.
You want to eat more?
Pepper.
So he came home and Ezra's got in a bath because he was kind of dirty from all those dirt hills. And Asen has not gotten a bath. He was doing math on He was doing math on the laptop. So
Yes, but when it's on hard mode, there's only math. If you guys have math missions, there's an arcade you have to get from Spectral, I guess.
what game is that? Math missions?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's part video game, part math.
Yeah. I guess I could put that link in the description if anybody wants to see that. It was only like $10, I think. And how's dinner? Good. I went the easy route. Carrots, cucumber, raisins, crackers and cheese. You even have some orange pepper over there, huh? Then it's time to bath this one. I don't know, guys. He's only 7 and he's already giving me sass on the bath. I can barely bathe him. He gets upset. But your feet stink, don't they?
Your feet stink.
Not as bad as yours. So we're going to bathe you. You're already bathed? Your bellies are full? How was Canmore? Did you give it 2 thumbs up?
I gave it no thumbs up.
Oh, 2 thumbs and 2 toes? 2 thumbs and 2 toes up, guys. That's how good it was. Do you remember the name? It was called, I think, Millennium Park in Canmore. And then we went to West Canmore Playground. And apparently, there's even more of a loop that we didn't do today, so maybe we'll do that next time.
What loop do you mean?
It goes even further, and there's like old coal cars, like from the mines, when they went and worked in the mines.
Or is it just a statue?
No, like, you know the coal cars, where they moved the coal?
Yeah.
They're in the field, I guess. I don't know. We'll have to do that next time. Maybe Daddy will come with us next time.
No. And I'm sleeping with Grandma tonight.
Tomorrow night, you're going to have a sleepover.
Yes, that's what I mean.
Tonight, we're going to sleep in our own beds. You guys ready to go to bed?
No.
This Mommy's ready to go to bed. I'm so tired. All right. So we give Canmore Millennium Park. I give it a thumb up. Ezra gives it a thumb up.
I give it
A thumb up. A thumb sideways. I think your face would say otherwise there, buddy. So if you're in the area, check it out. We liked it. It was a good break from a regular school day. And we'll probably be there again. All right, time to say goodnight.
Good night. I want to tell you one thing about Canmore.
What?
When there's a wasp on my leg, I try to slam it off.
Did it get you? Did it bite you? No. That's good. All right, guys. We're going to go to bed.
Actually, Canmore, I went fast.
Maybe. If they ever stop talking. This is like 4 hours, 5 hours in the fresh air. They're still going.
Canmore was kind of good.
All right, time to say goodbye. We're wrapping it up.
Wait, guys. I would do something. Guys,
Are you having issues?
hope you liked our video. Smash that like button.
Smash it.
Smash.
And what about subscribe? Do you want people to subscribe?
Yes, subscribe as much as you can. Okay. Press the button. It's actually hilarious.
All right, good night, guys.
Guys,
We will see you.
I just said the last word.
Boys, you're so disgusting. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.